retired police officer. Next on Good Day, a political firestorm this morning. Two of the presidential candidates teaming up to stop Trump.
To make it picture perfect.
Be sure to tag your mother because she needs more followers.
40 times. 40.
40 times Joe Sestak voted. Your garage is what you make it. Looking good, Suzanne. So make it great with amazing deals on many Honda products, including the restyled Honda.
On peut voir un match de l'Ohio contre Michigan.
Je me suis même pris un coup de soleil au niveau du crâne, je sais pas si vous allez le voir. Dans ma tête, du coup j'ai la voix de ma mère qui me dit « Fallait mettre une casquette !» J'ai même pris un coup de soleil juste ici.
On est chez Match. Il y a des tasses spaghetti aussi. Phénomène. C'est le truc fémin ça. Hein. Regardez-moi ce magnifique décor. Et en fait, c'est tout petit. Et on voit par exemple la maison là-haut. Donc je peux gérer la lumière intérieure, comme ça. Donc là par exemple c'est totalement nu. Je peux faire la couleur aussi du dehors. Donc là par exemple. Hop là.
Ce matin on a fait la prison, là on a fait le truc institut je sais plus quoi. Donc là on va rentrer, on va manger et après ben, on ressort.
(1682). Now, William Penn was not born into a Quaker family. He actually chose to become a Quaker on his own, so he converted at age 20. As you can see, popular with school field trips, the Constitution Center. Fun and educational, the perfect field trip. Through the traffic light now on the in motion. You can see colonial money on display. You can see rare bills on display. Also, at the end of this tour, they give you a nice bag of money. You can look up and see the center city skyline there. William Penn on top of the clock tower on City Hall is up there in the skyline. The building with the point or the... But we are now in Chinatown. It ranks among the top 5 in the country. Back in the 1870s, Chinese immigrants began living in this part. Through the traffic light now, look to your right, you will see the Chinese once worn by her on display in that Hard Rock. Making our right now on to Market. Pennsylvania, he was killed at the Battle of Gettysburg, the American Civil War, July 1863. On the right now, we do have our pros with all of these piece games like Monopoly and Sorry and checkers and chess, dominoes there. So very interesting display of his Holocaust Memorial right here on the left-hand side. The memorial to the 6 million martyred. It's one of the earliest Holocaust memorials in North America. Intended to be Philadelphia's Champs-Élysées. That is the Philadelphia Museum. Athlete of the Year. She first came to media attention, however, the previous year as part of the Taney Dragons Little League team. This is the Perlman Building. Now it's an annex to the Philadelphia Museum of Art. But when this building opened in 1927, it was the Fidelity Mutual Life Insurance. there he stands now, our Rocky statue. He was moved here alongside the Rocky Steps, a popular spot to stop and have your photo. Or the Please Touch Museum, stop 14 in Fairmount Park. You are going to transfer to the trolley that's waiting in front of us now. So there is the famous rear of the Art Museum. On our left now, this is school in the country here in Philadelphia, but when his superiors learned of this practice, he was promptly dismissed. Illegal 1920 to 1933. Never stopped anyone, however, from getting something to drink. Now, did it? No, of course not. Alcohol was line, and of course we made our own alcohol, bootlegging, but there were speakeasies. They were illegal bars and taverns. They had to be quiet. On the right-hand side now, we're going to see a large yellow church and a burial ground. This is the old Pine Street Presbyterian Church with its historic churchyard. He had a bounty on his head, 50-pound bounty placed there by King George III because Duffield refused to stop preaching. Their lives or are still listed as missing in action in Vietnam from Philadelphia. 646 names there. Making our icon, the little nipper, the little white dog next to the gramophone. That's what's in that building window. That building is now luxury apartments. Most populated city in all of the colonies. This was the largest marketplace in all of the colonies and remained the primary market area in Philadelphia through
Oh yeah, don't mess with the balls. That was bad.